Hi, good morning. This is Paul Horn. I'm a California attorney. I'm also a CPA. Okay, so what I'm here to talk to you about is this. As all of you know, I've been teaching realtors on probate, the probate process, right? The probate process from a standpoint of the probate process, how it works. The probate process from a standpoint of when can you sign the listing agreement. What's the difference in full authority, limited authority? What are the vocabulary to talk to the lawyers, to talk to a personal representative? How does all that work? What call forms are required? How does the overbidding process in court work? Full authority is just like a regular escrow, a regular listing, but how is it different from limited authority? But anyway, so if you got this book, if you got my training, that's great, okay? But we're gonna take it up to the next level. The next level is this. So I taught you the probate process, right? I taught you the probate process, and I taught you how to get the probate petition. I actually showed you how to go to court to get the probate petition. You know, the probate petition looks something like this. The probate petition looks something like this, okay? It looks something like this. Let's see, we have the camera just move around a little bit. It's okay. The probate petition looks something like this. So now that you know what a probate petition looks like, and you actually have to go to court to get the probate petition. So in Southern California, because probate is lumped in with conservatorship or trust dispute, the court doesn't allow you to access it on the web. It does not. You have to literally go to court to get the probate petition. In your case, as a realtor, why are you interested in getting the probate petition? Because it's going to show you who is the son or daughter or the personal representative, right? That's number one. It's going to show you on page 2 if there's a house for sale or not, right? Number 3, it's going to show you the petitioner address, the personal representative address, so you can contact the personal representative to get the listing. Now, something that I want to teach you is this. All probate cases, all of them, from the moment the probate petition is filed, from the moment it's filed, until about a month and a half, 2 months later, there's no realtors. So, I have something great for you now. Instead of you driving to Los Angeles court, instead of you driving to Orange County court, San Bernardino court, Riverside Court, there's 3 Riverside Court, there's 3 of them by the way, or San Diego Court, I have something for you that is extraordinary. For 25 bucks per month, $25 a month, I'm gonna basically give you all probate cases that has real estate in it. Let me repeat that. I have people now, I employ people that's gonna go to court, go to all those various court, and get the probate petition for you. What are they going to get for you? They're going to get basically all probate petition has a house in it, okay? And what I'm going to do, I'm going to email you those information, right? Let me have the camera close up a little bit. Let me have the camera close a little bit to my screen. And what we have is this, for example, in this data, what you have is the first column, it's going to list which courthouse it is, which county you're in, okay? Which county is in. It's gonna list that, right? And it's gonna list that, all the county. For example, I just showed you Orange County. Now I'm showing you, this is all Los Angeles County, and I'm gonna keep scrolling down. And then you see, and then you're gonna see Riverside counties. You're gonna see Riverside County, but anyway, it's gonna list. And San Bernardino County is down here, San Bernardino, and then San Diego is at the end. Okay, so it's gonna show you that, right? And what else is it gonna show you? What else is it gonna show you? So for example, what else is it gonna show you? It's gonna show you the date entered. What date was it entered? Right, the date that we collect the data. It's gonna show you the case number. It's gonna show you the case number, right? It's gonna show you the case number. As you can see, their case number, right? It's going to show you the date filed, the actual date the case was filed. Okay? It's going to show you, it's going to show you the lawyer's name. Okay, it's going to show you the lawyer's address. It's going to show the lawyer's city, the lawyer's zip code, lawyer's phone number, lawyer's email address. All right, and then here it's going to show you the name of the deceased, right? Mom and dad who died, the deceased. It's going to show you the petitioner. Okay, it's going to be a petitioner, and the petitioner is going to be it's going to be an executor or an administrator. It's going to show what type of authority we have. Remember I said the best type of case is full authority. And full authority is like a regular sale. Okay, full authority. All right, it's going to show you that. It's going to show you the petitioner address. And it's going to petitioner address so you can write letters to him. And by the way, I have sample form for you to follow. Letters that you can just copy. Okay, and it's going to show you bond, whether bond is needed or not. All right. If you're taking my course, you would know all what this means. But this is the raw data you're going to get. Of course, right here, the petitioner address, the petitioner city, petitioner state, petitioner zip code, okay? And also it shows you the address where the decedent passed away. It shows you the city the decedent passed away, the zip code. It's going to show you something very, very important. It's going to show you the property address. That's right. I'm sorry, it's going to show you the property value, the value of the property. So you have an idea what you're working with, okay? So look, it's a very, and then something very important. It's going to show the encumbrances, meaning is there any mortgage on that property? Okay, so let's, so it's going to show you a bunch of other stuff, but essentially, so I'm going to have the camera move back a little bit, okay? Bottom line is this, for $25, you cannot beat this deal. For $25, you're going to get all the probate cases in Los Angeles County, LA County, San Bernardino County, Riverside County, San Diego County for $25. These probate cases are only probate case that has real estate in it. That has a house for sale where you can be the listing agent, okay? Or maybe for your buyer as well. Extraordinary deal, $25 is only offered for a limited number of students only. You let me know if you want this. You can call me, okay? 626-872-1342. 626-872-1342. Call me, okay? And then once you get the data of where the petitioner is, right? Now you can start sending them letters, right? I do have letters for you. I have a whole bunch of sample for you, letters that you can send to the petitioner, okay? So anyway, if you want to get into probate, it doesn't get easier than this. It doesn't get cheaper than this, okay? So call the office now. Call that number I gave you, okay? 626-872-1342. Thank you.